Hello. So today we are going to make some rice noodle. It's called the Beef Chow Fun. So I went to the market, the Asian market, and they actually have the noodle. So I decided to pick up one pack, and we're gonna do that today for dinner. So as y'all can see, very oily. These all come in fresh. Sometimes some Asian market you do see them that are in the refrigerator. Okay, so they do have them fresh, and I want to show you guys what to do with it. Okay. So as you can see, it's very oily. So we're just gonna cut these. So I'm gonna on this side. You can cut them to a little bit. It's hard to cut this when it's so oily. Alright, the next step we are going to do is I'm going to have to peel them off in pieces. Okay. It's going to take me a while to do this, so. Alright, so we're done with this whole bag, so now we're gonna go over to the ingredients. Alright, so we have the rice noodle, and then I'm using a bean sprout and the scallion, but make sure you cut them into chunky, okay? And then I'm also I got some beef in here. We definitely gonna need some dark soy sauce because we wanted to make it a little bit dark color on the noodle. And of course, salt and black pepper. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I have a couple tablespoons of olive oils in here. I think it's pretty good. So I'm gonna put the. I like to stir fry the meat first. At least I want to make sure it's cooked before we do the noodle. So I'm going to put a little bit of salt in here. Okay, so I want to add a little bit of garlic powders in here. Okay, just a little bit. Alright, so it's done. I'm going to turn it off and then I'm going to start the other. Alright, so I took the meat out and now I'm going to put some olive oil back in here and I'm going to let it heat it up before we put the noodles in there. Okay? I want the oil to be hot. Alright, as you can see, the oil is hot because you can see the smoke coming out. So, this one's not looking hot for me. It's kind of sticking because it's supposed to be. So I'm going to add more oils in here. Next I'm going to add on this. I decided to chopped up some onion, so I'm going to put it in here. And then I'm going to put some vegetable in here. You can see we like vegetables, so Make sure you have the heat on high, okay? You don't have to cook it down till the vegetable is almost done. Then we're going to add soy sauce on here and salt and pepper. Alright, so now it looks like with this dish, I like my vegetables to be a little bit more crunchy. So I'm just going to put some dark soy sauce on here. Now it's going to be okay, so we're going to mix it up. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt again to your taste. Okay. And I'm going to put the meat back in here. And then we're just going to mix it up. This is Beef Chow Fun. You should give it a try, very easy. I get this done less than half an hour. Please give it a try and enjoy it. Thank you.